Guys, this is Brian back with the Zilliqa ZIL token update. On the screen is ZIL on the daily chart. You can see the 50 and the 200 moving average. We are well above both of those, which is fantastic to see. And we'll dig a little bit deeper in this chart here in a second. And I'm going to show you some things that are possibly going to happen here within the short term, and I'm going to read you a really great article here in a second. It looks to me like Bitcoin could possibly be doing a ABC correction here, which might pull down the market a little bit here. The 1 hour's turning back up on this thing, the RSI. It still actually has a little bit of correcting to do. That's the 4. The 1 is turning up on Bitcoin. But kind of looks like an ABC might be playing out here for this thing. So I'll keep an eye on this more. You know, on the 1 hour, we bounced off of that 200 there. On the daily, let's see, we're well above that 50 and 200, which is fantastic to see. The 12-hour RSI is heading down, and the 8-hour is heading down. So that I'm not a fortune teller, but the signs are pointing to me. This thing had a wedge formation forming. It fell out of that wedge, and it's looking more and more like an ABC correction. Could pull Bitcoin down to 27.1, 27.2 area if it comes to fruition. But we are here for Zilliqa, so let's get into that. Got a great article. Should you buy Zilliqa Sunday? Okay, this is written by Investors Observer. And if you haven't yet, guys, before I forget to ask, please hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. Did our first giveaway Friday of 188 tokens, and Jessica Larson was the winner of those. And all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber. Going to do a giveaway the last day of every month. And I'm kind of trying to find some different ways. They have, you know, like automated winning, automated things that I can do. You know, right online. I can just insert my subscribers and hit a button. I'm trying to find something like that. So if any of you know something like that, I've seen them, but not sure exactly where to get them. Okay, so I would like to do the drawings like that, so they're on screen and everybody sees them. That'd be the best thing for me to do. You know, instead of drawing a number or whatever and then going back to the subscriber count and matching the number up with the winner. I'd rather find something I can download my subscriber list into. So help me out if you could. I'd appreciate that. Here it says Zilliqa receives a strong short-term technical ranking of 84 from Investors Observer data analysts. The proprietary ranking system focuses on the recent trading patterns over the past month to determine the strength of its short-term technicals. ZIL has a superior recent technical analysis than 84% of coins based on these trading metrics. Wow. That's more than 84% of all the other cryptos. So investors primarily focused on shorter-term investment strategies will find this technical analysis most relevant to their goals when determining whether to invest in a particular crypto. You got an 84 here. Then you can click on it, see the full report if you want to go there and see that. Then it goes over the trading analysis down here. It says the market valuation for Zilliqa is relatively average due to the largest 100 cryptos having a market cap above $1 billion, and ZIL sits underneath that mark but remains above 100 million in market cap. So we're going to get back to these charts here in a second. Here's your top 100, your crypto bubbles. These are the top 100 coins for the day. I just did a pretty cool video on Bitcoin about in 2010 if you would have invested $100 into Bitcoin. If you get time to go check that out. I did some, took me a little bit to put that together, but I thought it was pretty cool. Gets you pretty excited about the opportunities in crypto that are out there. You know, I've been here about 4 years now, and I am hooked. You know, geez, I have an addiction to cryptocurrency. That's for sure. I love it. So let's move on to Crypto Fear and Greed Index. The market cap is down about 0.5%. Volume is down 10% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is down 0.11%. And the Crypto Fear and Greed indicator is at a 63, still in the greed. And here's your biggest gainers and biggest losers from Coin Market Cap. as you can see on there, what we got going on. The solar, never heard of that, don't know much about it, but it's at the top at 15% today. So you've got your trending coins on the left. I want to show you guys something real quick. If you do not have a hardware wallet, I have a Ledger Nano S. My wife got it for me for Christmas a couple years ago. With all the stuff I see about hacking and stuff like that, I'm going to put a link in the video to go check these out if you're interested. They're super nice. Yeah, I don't know if you're aware of it or not, but if your crypto is on an exchange, you do not technically own your cryptocurrency. You don't. You can go Google that, look it up. It's 100% true. You have to take it off an exchange to be your crypto. With these ledgers, the one I have is I can Bluetooth it with my phone. Plug it into my laptop, download all my crypto. You can download over 5,500 different cryptos, over 100 different apps, NFTs, everything. You can put it on there, and when you register these things with Ledger, the site, you put in your serial number and all that, and if it burns up in a fire or somebody steals it, if somebody steals it, it's so encrypted, they'll never get your crypto. But if it burns up or something like that, you can get back on their site, put in your serial number, and recover your cryptocurrency. So I think that's a pretty awesome thing that they got. And Ledger has been around a long time. They got a lot of great stuff in there. So like I said, I'll put a link if you're interested. They're very nice to have. I put mine on my Ledger and I threw it in my safe, and it's there until I want to mess with it or trade it or sell it, whatever I want to do. I know it's there, it's going to be there, and it's not going anywhere. So let's get back to this chart. Zilliqa. We want to get on ZIL. I apologize. Had that on Bitcoin there because I was showing you that ABC correction. And let's get on ZIL. Okay, the 4-hour RSI, you can see clearly that we had this breakout up here. Okay, you can see we hit resistance up at that 0.03250 area. Okay, we're going to turn that red for resistance. Okay, I like to keep my resistance red and my supports yellow. And you can see we've rolled back and now found support here. Let's put a Fibonacci on this thing and see how deep we are as far as a pullback here. Okay, so let's take it from the swing low to the swing high. And we are at a 50% right now. Okay, quite honestly, I would more expect that thing to come down to the 618 area at the 0.02895 and bounce from there. Plus that would give our RSIs some time to cool off. You can see that daily RSI is getting near the top here. The 1 hour I think is reset, so we can, yeah, we're gonna have a short-term pop here with that 1 hour. And what could be going on here is we could be doing the same thing. We could not too. We're up 1.08%, but a lot of times after you have a run, you're going to have a correction. This thing might come up to that 702. Keep an eye on this if you watch your charts at 0.03138. We need to get through there, okay, to keep this rally going up. If we don't, at 702, we could be doing an ABC correction right from there, which would take us, ABC would bring us down here somewhere, 0.02904, until we start our next leg up. That could be happening. Not financial advice, and I can't tell the future. I could be way off with that. So, we could have. Let me check something here real quick. This is on the 1 hour. But I want to see something here and see if, nope, that's up past the 786. I was thinking maybe we did our ABC there, but that C leg would be very overextended. And that went up past the 786, so I kind of doubt. Put it on the 4 once. Yeah, this is turning out to be very good support here, though. And would we get a measurement on that at? What would it line up to be? Okay. The 702 right at that blue line will bring us down, right back to that support. Would kind of make sense, 0.02876. Like I said, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. This 4-hour could spin back up and we could take off from here. A lot of it depends on Bitcoin. Really does. Bitcoin leads the market. If Bitcoin takes off, who knows what could happen. Now we have that resistance line there that was former support. You know, it could, right here, we had support, fell through it, gained it back, support, fell through it, got rejected off of it. And now we're making another run up here. If we put a Fibonacci on this whole move from here, that'll give us a little bit, you know, more of an insight here too. We're right up at that 786. What a beautiful spot to be. I'm not saying we can't break out from here. I apologize. I probably should check that first. Okay, but we have come up and hit that 786. If we can clear that 786, you know, and get a new take out this high over here, you know, we might be might have a decent rally going here. That's for sure. We'll have to see how this plays out. See if Bitcoin does that ABC correction, and see if Zilliqa can gain some more momentum here. You know, this could be, you got to weigh your options in the crypto market. This could be a 1, 2. This could be your 3, your 4 pullback, and a 5. You know, that very well could be happening too, because that looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, I hate to give you 3 or 4 different options, but you got to go with which one looks the best right now. And this 4, we could still get that ABC correction as long as this 4 wave doesn't go below that 1. You know, this thing could pull back down here. It absolutely could, for sure. You know, we could get that ABC down here for that 4th leg and then get that 5th leg up. So I'll keep an eye on it, guys, and that gives you a couple different options there, what could be going on. Not a lot of them RSIs are things that worry me, you know, when looking at these things, but most of the time you're going to have 5 waves up, and that definitely is, we got 3 there. Could have your 4th. 4th is normally your biggest pullback, and then your 5th blow up, so, and then an ABC at the top of that. So we'll keep an eye on it. If we bust out of this and bust out of that 786, I'm going to put an alert there just in case we do. I will get another video out later, and we'll jump right on top of it. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and thank you for watching my video. I so much appreciate it. Have a good night.